My name is Shreya HK from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I will be explaining the topic related to Introduction to Mechanical Engineering. Construction and advantages of future mobility vehicles in automobile industry. Where the introduction into future mobility is increasing in the number of automobile vehicles in the world increases the demand of the fuels also. This in turn causes the demand on the fuels and which makes the fuels to deplete. This necessitates the other alternative mobility. This includes the fuel alternative or power alternative. Some vehicle uses alternative power system to drive the vehicle. Electrical and hybrid vehicles are some of such alternative systems of vehicles driving in automobile industry. In 2022, this was a year of transition which included some leaps forward and some retrenchments. A few indicators of disruption became quite visible. Even the part of daily life. More and more electrical vehicles can now be seen cruising down the roads. Newly installed charging points are popping up in many countries. Novel business models, for instance, cars as a subscription service or a direct to customer consumer product, has blossomed. In city centers, car use has become under increasing scrutiny from government authorities, and micro mobility options such as electric scooters are increasing. As for other realms of mobility, 2022 was a year for realignment. Investments in air mobility failed to equal 2021's record. Though many players are advancing their technologies and inching closer to regulatory approval, the fanfare around autonomous driving, once the subject of record breaking funding announcements seemingly on a weekly basis, has apparently subsided, but leading entrants are making tremendous technological progress, scaling their operations across multiple cities and laying a path toward greater customer acceptance. The automotive sector faced significant headwinds generated in large part by geopolitical issues and macroeconomic uncertainty. Many automakers have handled this difficult environment with aplomb, building this resilience in the expectation of a challenging near term future. Some suppliers are suffering because of supply chain challenges and the contraction of internal combustion engine market, but pockets of growth mean for the those that can act boldly. The future of automotive and mobility. The automotive industry is shifting gears. Global disruption, technological advances, and changing consumer behaviors are altering the auto industry on many levels all at once. The traditional business model of designing, manufacturing, selling, servicing, and financing vehicle continues. The future of mobility, that are cars that are self aware and provide a connected platform for new business models. Vehicles with hundred of internet connected engine control units, ECUs, and sensors, providing data and insights. The capability of bundle vehicle sales with new subscription based offerings for parking, electric vehicle charging, uh, ride share, and car share services. Algorithm based insurance based on data from connected cars. Fleet services, which are already at all time high, will continue to grow and expand to include charge point operations as more fleets become electrified. Advantages of future mobility vehicles. They are customer centricity. Throughout the pandemic, many car dealers and manufacturers discovered new ways to interact directly with customers, and they plan to expand this connection to the customer mobility services. Customer loyalty will gradually move from brand and dealerships to integrated and convenience driven services and associated mobility options. New business models of pay per use and subscription based mobility will be the way forward. Digital supply chain and smart manufacturing. Supply chains and manufacturing networks must become more resilient, completely modular, and flexible. How you interact with your suppliers will be crucial to success in the future. Thank you.